Build a Piano game by Music Game Club comes with several game boards. So each student that is playing will need their own game board, and the goal is to build their piano first. So there are piano component cards, and there are also good action cards, bad action cards, a success poster to celebrate the winner, and 2 pages of activity sheets. So it's super easy to get started with this game. Each student will draw 1 component card and 1 good action card. So everyone actually starts with 1 component card and 1 good action card. So everyone has that at the beginning of the game. And then when it's your turn, you can either draw a component card or a good action card and play, or you can discard something from your hand and draw 2 new cards. And it's flexible. You can draw 2 piano component cards, or you can draw 2 good action cards, or you can draw 1 of each. So it's very flexible. When it's your turn, you need to play 2 cards, if possible. So obviously you want to build your piano, so the focus at first is going to be just filling up all of the piano components on your game board. So everyone gets 2 rounds of that, playing 2 cards each time it's their turn, playing 2 cards on their board. Then everyone has to draw a bad action card. And so it depends on what the card says. So for instance, this one says paint stickers or marker on the piano. The consequence of drawing this card is you lose 1 card of any type from your hand. So then it would just go in the discard pile. Some of the consequences, like this one, the consequences lose 1 piano card placed on the board. So it would remove it from your board. But the good news about this is you can have a match if you have a good action match for this. So dirty hands when playing, if you had this card in your hand, wash hands before playing, that cancels that bad action out. So then you would put both of those in the discard pile and you would not lose any of your cards. So pretty straightforward. Once someone has all of their piano components filled on their board, they're the winner. Enjoy.
Thanks for joining us at Music Game Club. You can find printable and digital music theory games and other teacher resources at musicgameclub.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Tag us on social media so we can celebrate with you your student success in playing music theory games.